How to improve and correct your text messages on Samsung. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then tap on the profile icon at the top. Then scroll down and tap on messages settings. From here, we go down and tap on suggestions and actions. Then tap on Magic Compose. Now make sure Magic Compose is turned on. Then we go back to our text conversation. From here, open up your text conversation. Now start to write a text. Okay. Hey there, today I'm going shopping and buy a new phone. Are you coming with me? Okay, so after you have write a text message, you can tap on the add button. In here, tap on Magic Compose. This will help us to rewrite or rephrase our text. If you are making some mistakes, it will also offer suggestions to correct your text. So you can choose a different style, professional style. You can shorten your text message. You can rephrase it. So here it will rephrase your original text message. You can rewrite it in a friendly manner. Okay, so down here are some different options that you could choose. So once you find a particular version that you like, tap on it and that will replace your original text. And then you can tap on the send button to send it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.